All right, so this is actually after it's all done, but I figured I'd a few pointers to let you know. Like if you're gonna do this, like I say in the end of the other video, definitely would be easiest to take out the whole backrest, flop it down, unbolt it from the back, and that way you'll see like the one I pulled out. That's the way I did it in the junkyard, and it was much easier that I didn't break the clips on the side. But you can see this one is all back together. It's all good. It's got everything in there. It's got the first aid kit now. That was missing, but no, I'm happy with the way that turned out. Both my side things were broken, but I was gonna let you know, like that's what I was saying. It would be it's gonna be really hard. You can't even really see them back there, but there's pins in here, and you'll see in the video. It'd be really hard. You could do it if you push this all the way back. You can see there's the pins, just barely, but it's gonna be so much easier if you take the whole backrest off. There's 4 10mm bolts on the back. This whole thing comes out. It'd be much easier to do all of that. And but it's cool, it's done. One more thing checked off the list. All right, so we are in the limo right now, and you can see I have that the backrest out. And so this is the original backrest, and these clips on the side right here were broken. So I called up the dealership, and the dealership wants $684 for this center console armrest, and it is back ordered. You have to pay for it up front, and they have no idea when they'll make more of them, so there's a chance you just never get it. So what I did is I went to the junkyard and got myself a good one out of a 97 E320. It's identical, has the same clips on the side. Problem is it's the wrong color. So this is how you take off your cover. It is very, very easy, actually. You pull your tray out, and you see I actually have the first aid kit was in that E-Class in the junkyard, so I got that as well, even though it's probably all expired and whatever, but better than nothing. And it is the original Mercedes-Benz. There's a part number if you really, really wanted it. But this is the one out of my black one. So you pull that out, it comes out, it's got these little tabs at the bottom. They're kind of hard to see what's going on there, but I just pulled a little bit hard. Be careful, because I tried pulling on this one, and I think this one was just either or whatever, but it just completely snapped. So, but good thing I have 2 of them. And then once you get that off, this is that ring that goes around the front. You can see this one is still in it, and this one was already broken at the junkyard, but you can see there's that tab that goes around, and it is just tabs that pull out. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but I actually got that out fairly easily. I can glue it back in place if it doesn't stay, but it actually stayed pretty good. So you pull that out, and I will get this out, and then that ring off, and this bottom part where the seam is, if you look right here, there's a seam, and all it is just a tab that the leather slips down into. So I haven't cut nothing on the leather. This just goes around and slips into it. So let me get that one disassembled. And once you get the bottom up, I just put this between my feet and then just slid the whole cover off. It is, you got to loosen it up a little bit, but it did slide right off. I was able to grab the top and slide it right out. But I will do the same thing to this one. Oh, these clips can be challenging. You actually, the easiest way to get them is right in here. You can't really see it, but there's 3 tabs all the way around. You can actually see them. So that's a clip, and then the third clip is over here. And so you come on this side of it with something like this and pry it in, and those will pop out slowly, and then you can pull this side off. So that's what I will do next. All right, so you can see, like, once you get the 3 pins popped inside, this center piece just kind of wiggles out like that. Those are the pins you're trying to push in. So once you get that out, and then you should be able to very carefully, hopefully I don't break this one. Does it have to go in a certain spot? It doesn't look like it. Maybe if I just lift and twist. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. All right, so I got the center pieces off. So these ones, if you look, the clip it's, yeah, I don't know if this helps, but if this is where it sits on the outside right here, the clip you're trying to push in is just in the middle of the two. So those are the clips you're trying to push in. There's 3 of them. That one broke, but it'll still work better than the other one. So anyway, and then that the bracket goes on, and then this will clip on. I have actually left my other brackets in there because mine was completely broken. So anything I can put this back together with will be better than what it was. You can see this one was the one that was broke, and it's these little tabs. I'm guessing if you took your time, take your kit out, you might be able to get like a screwdriver or something in here. I don't know why these ones, the first ones didn't break. You can see there, I don't know if there was a piece in there that maybe you're supposed to take out, but this one popped right out. But this one decided to break. But all right, so there's the broken tray. All right, and then so this, oh, I was going to show you this. To take this tab out in here, you can see there's a seam kind of right here, runs along, and I just put my pick in there carefully. Try not to stab your fingers. And anyways, give me a second. So this one's not really going like I was hoping. Look, so anyways, there's nothing I can't fix or nothing I can't use because it's all going to be covered up. But you can see, you just put your pick in there and pry up in some spots. And this one out of the 97 is, everything on it is super brittle for some reason. I'm not sure. It's only 1 year apart. Mine's a 98. But anyways, we'll finish pulling this out just like that. That's the broken trim one. I'll put that over there, and then the leather just pops straight out over here, and like I said, on the back it just pops out of that seam. So I will do that and be right back. All right, so I got it started. It is pretty tight, but you should be able to put it between your feet and grab the bottom and just wiggle each side. It's easier with 2 hands obviously, but it is coming. Jeez. All right, there we go. All right, so there is the tan one off and all the broken pieces. So, and then this is my other broken one. So you can see mine were completely broken out right there on the side. So literally the armrest just sat in there, and those are the ones, those are the good ones. So I will put the black cover on this, and the limo will be back together with an armrest. So we'll go from there. All right, so yeah, that's not bad. I did have one little mishap, and that tore right there. I was pulling it sideways. I should have I did better on this side. This side didn't tear. So you have to kind of hold both sides and hold them together. I was more pulling like straight down. I was, yeah, pulling straight down and out, and it didn't it tore right there. But everything else turned out pretty good. We'll see if we can't put, let's see, we're gonna put this trim piece back in here. Once again, everything on this requires 2 hands. Be right back. All right, I think that's it. So obviously it sits in the thing like that. Then it folds down, and then you pull the lever, and you're gonna have obviously your cup holders first, right there. And then if you keep pulling, you have first aid kit. So awesome. So I will put, here's those 2. All right, there's that push pin, and that's the broken one. Yeah, the other push pin's around here somewhere. Oh, yeah, I knocked it on the floor. So here's my 2 push pins. So I will put them back in those brackets right there. If you were going to take this out, I would say the best thing to do is pop everything up and pull the whole seat backrest off. Getting these pins out while it's in the car like this is going to be a pain because of the 3 pins all the way around that you have to press. So I would definitely get it to where I had that one and where these brackets were accessible, and you could just spin these around and push those pins out where you needed them. But anyways, hopefully that maybe helps somebody if you're trying to fix your rear armrest in your Mercedes W210. So something anybody could probably do. Just takes a little bit of time. This was a whole whopping 30 minutes maybe, and that's figuring out how that one comes apart and everything like that. So I tried not to break mine, but it worked really good. Like I said, the only thing that I actually messed up was that tear on the leather right there, and that's going to be held in by the bracket anyways, so not a big deal. It looks good. This is my old trim tab. I just swapped it. That one was broken already, so that worked out good. See you later.